Financing a new direction for SA. On the evening of 7 February, President Cyril Ramaphosa gave his second annual State of the Nation address to Parliament. The president set out his intentions for the upcoming year, but it's been criticized by opposition parties for being vague and playing politics. He took pains to emphasize concerns around employment growth, the restructuring of national power utility Eskom, attempts to decisively eradicate corruption and the promotion of pro-poor policies, among others. In the wake of the address, Business Day editor Lukhanyo Nyanda filled in the gaps on exactly what the president has planned for the country and what it could mean for South Africa's legislative future. In the run-up to what many commentators were expecting to be a gloomy budget speech 2 weeks after the SONA, we got Isa Black Star's top business editors in the room to talk about just what can be expected. Anchored by Sunday Times reporter Mudiwa Gavaza, Business Day editor Lukhanyo Nyanda, Business Times editor Ron Derby and Financial Mail editor Rob Rose delve into the nitty-gritty of some of the budget's most pertinent elements, including concerns around taxation, healthcare, education and training, and the dilapidation of SOEs. Following the budget speech, Sunday Times financial reporter Mudiwa Gavaza brings a panel of tax experts from tax consulting SA and Geneva Management Group into studio to decipher what Minister Mbowene's national budget will mean for you and your business.
Yeah.